year, on 25th of May, Ashish Vidyarthi left everyone surprised by announcing his second marriage to an entrepreneur, Rupali Barua, at the age of 57. However, ever since their wedding, the actor and his wife were on the radar of trolls and faced nasty comments on social media. Now, while reacting to it, the couple has shared that they remained unfazed by all these trolls and negative comments. In an interview with Behind Woods TV, the veteran actor said, "Two things. With love and affection, you don't need to prove a point. We both were not out there to prove any point. No upset, no anger, but do something that makes you happy." On the other hand, his wife Rupali said, "I did not give a damn to it because these people I don't know. They have seen something that is very unobvious for normal people because they don't know about it." She also mentioned that they won't go out of their way to clarify. "It doesn't affect me so much because I didn't read the comments. My close ones are supporting me. I don't need any other validation." Shared Rupali. For more news and updates, stay tuned to ETimes.